Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free, brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new food bank layout pack that I think you're going to love. This food bank layout pack is fun, engaging, and has stunning design features that truly make it one of a kind. Plus, all of the pages included are strategically crafted to feature all the necessities of a food bank, making it super easy for visitors to learn about your foundation, make donations, or get involved. It is a great layout pack for an even greater cause, so go ahead and check it out for yourself. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new food bank layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To make sure you've done that, go over to Divi, Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key. Then go ahead and save changes. Now you will have access to all of Divi's pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To do that, go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Next, select the Choose a Pre-made Layout option. In the Load from Library pop-up, under your Pre-made Layouts tab, go ahead and scroll until you find the Food Bank Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all of the different pages included in the pack on the right. Make sure you find the one that you want and then click the Use This Layout button. Once the layout pack has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And of course, you can always get started building on the front end or preview it in desktop view mode to make sure that all of the layout looks correct. You'll want to continue this process of creating all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. After that, you're ready to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance and then Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click the Create Menu button. You'll see a list of all of the pages that you've created over here on the left. Make sure to select all of them and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can go ahead and organize your menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, you'll go over to Settings, Reading. There, under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with its corresponding home page layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Food Bank Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new Food Bank Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.